individuals for the releasing of the butterflies. His Excellency Monsignor Giuseppe Trentaluit, Sister Maria Chon, Vicar General, Sister Gemma Kim, the Treasurer, Mama Rixie Prieto and her family, Sir Erwin Tan, the BOT of AMSI headed by Miss Merly, Sir Nicholas Cho and family, Sir Rafael Yun and his wife, Sister Maureen Anpido, and Brother Victorino, Butterflies are a symbol of transformation and new beginnings. As we release these butterflies, let us reflect on the beauty of change and the enduring impact of Venerable Al's life. May these beautiful butterflies carry our hopes and dreams to the skies, reminding us of his transformative influence. Please join me in counting from 3 as we release the butterflies. Ready? 3, 2, 1, release!
Hero. Fly, 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 butterfly. May nakita kayong ano pa, kalampating puti ano.